This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cami Alberts. Very desirable Regency Club. This 2-halves Villa plus DEN has gorgeous water views. Nestled in this quaint, gated neighborhood, centrally located, close to shopping, eateries and hospital. Wide open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, 2-car garage and over 1,500 square feet of living space. Large great room perfect for entertaining. Good-sized primary bedroom has large walk-in closet and separate vanity area. Accordion shutters for peace of mind. Private, screened patio to relax and enjoy the serene water view. Low HOA dues include basic cable, lawn maintenance, security and amazing amenities. Community offers, 2 pools, hot tub, tennis, basketball, gym and clubhouse. All-age community. This won't last. For more information, review the details below.